Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more website builder reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview, including the link to IMCreator, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. IMCreator is a website builder uniquely designed with creative professionals, entrepreneurs, and small businesses in mind. Its focus is on providing a fast and stylish way to establish an online presence. A truly remarkable feature of IMCreator is its free plan, available to creatives, students, and non-profit organizations. This plan offers a professional-grade website at absolutely no cost, a rare and valuable find in the competitive website builder market. The platform utilizes a block-based editing system, making website creation incredibly user-friendly. Users can select from a library of beautifully designed, responsive templates optimized for viewing across a range of devices. These templates cater to diverse industries, including photography, art, fashion, business, and more. The editor itself is intuitive and straightforward. Even without prior technical experience, users can easily adjust layouts, replace default content, upload their own images, and customize their site. IMCreator excels at rapidly delivering visually appealing websites. This makes it a particularly attractive option for users who prioritize design and speed. Furthermore, IMCreator supports e-commerce functionality, empowering users to create online stores for selling products or services. While the e-commerce features may not be as comprehensive as those offered by dedicated platforms like Shopify, they are more than sufficient for small businesses just starting out. The platform also incorporates essential SEO tools to improve your site's visibility in search engine results. Additionally, IMCreator offers seamless integration with third-party tools such as Google Analytics. One of IMCreator's most significant advantages is its affordability. Beyond the free plan for eligible users, the paid plans are competitively priced, making it a budget-friendly choice for startups and small businesses. However, it's worth noting that users requiring advanced customization options or extensive integrations might find the platform somewhat limited. This is because IMCreator prioritizes simplicity and speed above all else. In conclusion, IMCreator stands out as a fantastic website builder for anyone seeking a visually stunning website without the complexities of advanced customization or the burden of high costs. It's an especially good fit for creatives, students, non-profits, and small businesses who value aesthetics and ease of use. If you're looking to build a professional-looking website quickly and affordably, IMCreator is definitely worth exploring. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details. This review should help you determine whether IMCreator is the right choice for your website needs.